Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, speed proportional power steering, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display, tire pressure monitoring system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.